just stay tight, we have to go. Stay with me while we leave. Don't worry, just believe me. This journey will leave us. Stay with me while we leave.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's a couple days after prepping and spraying, and I'm happy to share with you that all the parts are completely done and 100% installed on the truck. This part of the video is going to be long enough, so I'm going to cut it short. I'm going to show you guys what the truck looks like, and immediately after this video, I'm going to publish another one going into some of the detail and sharing with you some of the specifics of what you're going to see today. So please be on the lookout, and without more delay, let me show you what the truck now looks like.
Stay with me.
And there you have it. Let me know what you guys think of the new look. Again, there's going to be another video very shortly after this one explaining everything that's been done to the truck and how it's been done, along with the lift kit, which is not really a lift kit that accompanies the new setup. I know a lot of people are probably going to be wondering about these three little lights up here, and I'm also going to be sharing that with you, because obviously most things I've done can be done to almost any truck out there. So if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please consider subscribing, give it a thumbs up, and just a little side note, I don't make a penny off YouTube. My videos are not monetized, so your participation, your likes, your shares, and all that just really help my videos move up in the ranking scale. On that note, although a lot of things just happened to the truck, believe it or not, there's still a lot more coming. But for now, thanks for checking out the video, and I'll catch you guys next time.